10006 West Geddes. Scoping the sewer line after repair. Repaired from the basement underneath the subfloor to the end of the driveway at the sidewalk. 84 foot to the city sewer. And then there's where we connected on there. This is the new pipe. That's the old pipe. This is right at the city sidewalk at the end of the driveway. So this is all under the driveway here. As you can see, it's not holding any water. Coming up the clean out here. You got your new clean outs here in the rocks, just right to the front door here. Then we'll go back under the porch. So you can see here, this is all under the porch. This is where that big valley was. That's just some toilet paper that's on there. So there's where we connected on to the old pipe. That is underneath the subfloor. So sorry about that toilet paper. They must have just flushed the toilet. But you can see now how we're not holding any more water. And then up the clean out. So 10006 West Geddes. Sewer line has been repaired from underneath the subfloor to the end of the driveway there.